Hi everyone. Though it is possible to do box plots in AnyLogic, I found it much easier if we can do it through pipeline, which is a connector of AnyLogic to Python. So we pass the data from AnyLogic to Python and then plot the data, the box plot, and then call it from AnyLogic. Another approach what I found out was that maybe we can take the output of the Monte Carlo experiment, store it in a file, and then we can put it in Tableau or Shiny. So that's what I wanted to go through each of these options and see that these are possible. So the first one that I'm going to put forth is the Monte Carlo experiment. So in Monte Carlo, what I did was that I was able to generate iterations, data over multiple iterations, and then put those data into a box plot. So let's start with that one. So what we see that the 10 iterations that we ran, and each iterations had 100 replications. So each of these iterations, the box plots are being plotted here using the Monte Carlo experiment. Another approach is that instead of plotting it in Monte Carlo, we can try to put it in in the simulation itself. By taking the data out of the Monte Carlo experiment, let it write on a CSV and then read the CSV into the simulation. So what I did is like I read the data from the Monte Carlo experiment and have stored it in a CSV and have stored the data only for 5 iterations, each iteration having 100 replications. So when I run this simulation, so what I was able to achieve was that I was also able to achieve plotting the box plots for the multiple iterations in simulation. Now the next what I wanted to show is that instead of going through the hassle of plotting the box plots within simulation or in Monte Carlo, as we have done is that export the data into CSV and then plot the box plot within Python itself and call the Python script from AnyLogic. So what I have done is I have saved the output of the Monte Carlo experiment in a CSV file for 5 iterations, and then I have I'm calling box plot in the Python file itself, and I'm calling the Python file from from AnyLogic. So what I have done is like I have imported a PyCommunicator library. I have and I am importing that boxplot.python file from AnyLogic. So let's see how it goes. So as we see that the data, Python is returning this nice looking box plots, which is getting called from AnyLogic. Two other approaches which I found was useful was to have this data as in the form of a CSV, and it's very easy to plot this data into box plots using Tableau. So what I have done is I have imported the data in Tableau, and I was able to plot the data in Tableau. It is always better to visualize the numbers, each and every point we are able to visualize through those IntelliSense. Also, I have done the same thing through R Shiny. So what I was able to do was that I was able to plot these box plots through R Shiny. So we see that these are the few approaches which we can utilize and we can apply as based on the whatever is needed. Thank you.